Okay, so good morning again. So, following some of these disappointing results from this container, which probably due to the fact that it's too thick for microscopic examination, I've decided to see what's going on in the like the lower one, the one that we initially used for burning, but not in the last couple of days. And because I assume that it's much less thicker. Indeed, we see, and indeed it is, because it still contains much of the original, the original material, which was much more, contain all sorts of liquid material like pee and water and other stuff. So yes, it's much easier. You see that yes, indeed, we have like a layer of burnt charcoals and candle wax, but underneath we still have like an ocean of oily but still pretty thin liquid. So I've taken 2 samples. It was indeed much easier to take samples that are not incredibly thick. So let's see what we have in that container actually. Just a second. So we see Neros right away, which is great. And they're pretty fat. That is typical to, after adding a relatively hefty amount of sodium bicarbonate, which I actually have done, if you remember, before we before we seal this container, like a couple of days ago, we've added a hefty amount of sodium bicarbonate, which is great. Which is, it's known to make them fatter, and this is pretty consistent throughout like many experiments, and we also see it here, that they are very fat. Like, כמו שאומרים אסימון בעברית, כזה עם חור נורא קטן, כזה, או גרוש של פעם. This one is pretty big and nice. Yeah, so we have a very good amount, and maybe zoom in, but yeah, we see many Neros, mostly in the medium size, I would say, but medium like radius, I would say, and fat, with high fat percentage, like metaphorically so. What I like in the fat ones is that you see the very thin white like ring inside the black like main ring. You can only see it in the fat ones, and this is very pretty. Like it reminds me of Saturn. Maybe zoom in even more. Nice, shiny. You see the white ring in the middle of the black one. Nice, very nice. These are pretty big ones. This is even a bigger one. We don't see the very, very big one, like the huge ones, but we see pretty big ones. So I'm sure, I must admit, this setup is straining my back. So let's stop with this slide now and just take a quick look at the second one. It's not comfortable at all. I'll try to maybe clean the table so we can use it again for my microscopic work. That's the only table that is really usable. Okay, another one from the same container, just a different place in the container, okay, again, fat Neros. So it's really consistent, good amount and like good sizes, and as expected, fat ones. I don't know actually, why they are becoming fat with sodium bicarbonate, and I don't even know if it's categorically a good thing. It seems to me like a good thing, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's the difference between the fatter ones and the thinner ones. This one is both big and fat, and if I'm not mistaken, in the Stargate position, which is great. Very nice. Let's try to zoom in here. Yeah, so this one is in the Stargate position, which is great. It's pretty big one. Another pretty big one. We don't see huge ones, but we see very big ones, I would say. But we don't see the maximal class that we've encountered, like in several of the more elaborated experiments. But it's fine. It's okay. This is very healthy sizes that we see. Nice. Okay, so this one is, on average, they are even bigger than the previous one. Like we see very big ones. Again, not the maximum size, not like the flagships that we've seen sometimes in the past, but okay, it's great the way it is. Yeah. Okay, so honestly, it's just it's difficult to lean on the microscope, so we'll stop here. I think I'm just maybe I overused this container for the burning, for so many burning, like for the broadcasting. So maybe what I'll do is kind of rearrange the containers later today. I bought a very big one, that I still didn't use, so maybe it's time to use it. This one here. It's empty. So what I think I'll do is just take the material from this one, from that container. It's actually, the bottom is chipped. This it should be thrown away anyway. So I'll just take all the material, put it in the big one. Also add a little bit of material from here that we know that it's very rich with Neros, but not too much, just not to dilute this one as well. And also add P and other liquids, and start electrolysis in order to increase, quickly increase the Nero count, in this mixture, which is now, maybe it's still very rich in Neros. Just we couldn't watch it because of sampling. But in any case, I think it's difficult to work with. I mean, when it's so solid, like material. So it's a good idea to kind of like to conduct this rearrangement anyway. So that's it for now.